All right. Very good evening, students, and very good evening, sir. Welcome to free online coaching for TSRJC CET 2024. This class was started on 15th February 2024, and this will go on till 10th March 2024. And after the exams, we will again start during 1st of April. And the timings for this class is 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. So today we are heading towards day 9, and this program is sponsored by Jatadhara Educational Technology, Hyderabad. So I would like to invite Mr. Arun to take the class, start with physics session. Sir?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Hello, students. Welcome to this session. And today we're going to do chapter from chemistry, that is classification of elements, the periodic table. Let's get started. All right. Under students ready on Nara? Yeah, good evening. Under ready on Nara? Shall we begin? All right, good. All right, let's go for the first question. Here is the first question. ఇది మెమరీ బేస్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఈరోజు. ఎక్కువ ఏం ఫార్ములా బేస్ కూడా లేవు, ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏం లేవు, memory based questions ఉన్నాయి. So if you can refer your book and you can answer the questions. Book refer చేసి కూడా ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు మీరు. Which of the following is a non-metal? Lead, tin, potassium or sulfur? Which of this is a non-metal? Answers chat box లో టైప్ చేయండి. అందరు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి. పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడానికి హెసిటేట్ చేయకండి. Okay, Haima says 4, Pavana says 1, Siddheksha says 4. Let's see the answer. It's 4, sulfur. Look at the statement. Lead, tin and potassium are metals, whereas sulfur is a non-metal. All right, తప్పు పైన ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, నేర్చుకోండి. ఇది మెమరీ బేస్డ్ క్వశ్చన్, మర్చిపోయి ఉంటారు, కానీ ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకుంటే మళ్ళీ మీకు గుర్తు వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో నాట్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం, డోంట్ వరీ, దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ రివిజన్. ఇది ఒకసారి మొత్తం మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూసాక సెషన్ తర్వాత ఒకసారి యూట్యూబ్ లో వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఒక ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్ రౌండ్ రివిజన్ చేసుకోండి. ఆల్రైట్, లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Which is the least electronegative element among the following? Is it lithium, carbon, nitrogen, fluorine? Lithium, carbon, nitrogen, fluorine. ఈ అన్నిట్లో లీస్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రోనెగటివ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏది? లీస్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రోనెగటివ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫ్లోరినా? ఫ్లోరిన్ హైయెస్టా లీస్టా? Good, Jyoti. Good. Let's see the answer. It's lithium. Least electronegative element is lithium. Fluorine is amongst these, fluorine has a maximum electronegative. All right, let's go for the next one. Among all the elements, lithium is the least electronegative element. తప్పు ఎక్కడ వెళ్తున్నారు నోట్ చేసుకోండి. That's okay. Jyoti has gone right. Very good. Others, please participate. Participate చేయండి, hesitate కాకండి. All right, I'll go for the next question. I want maximum participation from you all. 4F elements are called as 4F elements ఏమంటారు? Transition elements, alkaline earth metals, actinoids, lanthanoids. Irfa Fatima says 4, Siddheksha says 2. 4F elements. Sija says 4. Pranavi says 4. 4 and 4. Pavana says 4, 4. Excellent. Good. is actually 4. Lanthanoids. See, what happens is, in lanthanoids, electrons are progressively filled in 4f orbital. That's why they are called 4f elements. So lanthanoids are in which electrons are progressively filled in 4f orbital. So the ones who have answered 4 are very good. But that's okay. If you tappoina, that's okay. Nerchukondi. This session is for revision. Revise cheskodaniki session pettaru. So don't hesitate. Wrong vachina, that's okay. Don't mind. But correct yourself. Nerchukondi. I'll go for the next one. The element which belongs to third period and 14th group in modern periodic table is aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. Aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. A element third period in the 14th group lo untundi. Element which belongs to third period and 14th group. Okay, Virat says 2. Virat Kohli says 2. Oh, Virat Kohli is my student. Excellent. Uday Ganesh says 2. Siddheksha says 2. Sreshna says 2. Absolutely right, students. You're all right. Fatima says 2. Excellent. Your knowledge is good. Let's go for the next question. The orbital with more penetration power towards nucleus is the orbital with more penetration power towards nucleus is which of these? 4d, 4f, 4p or 4s? Penetration power ఎక్కువ దేనికి ఉంది? Which orbital has got more penetration power towards the nucleus? Excellent. Jyoti says 4. Siddheksha says 4. Very good, students. Sreshna 4, Virat 4, Pranavi 4. Oppo is shown as Oppo. I don't know your name, but that's also 4. That's good. Excellent, students. That's 4. Absolutely right. Very good, students. Doing good. You people will do very well in the exam. Very good. తప్పు పోయినా నో ప్రాబ్లం నేర్చుకోండి. దట్స్ ఓకే. ఇది నేర్చుకోవడానికి సెషన్ పెట్టారు, రివిజన్ సెషన్ పెట్టారు. Here's the statement. Among all, 4s orbital has more penetration power towards nucleus. Let's go for the next one. The valency of calcium is. The valency of calcium is. Calcium the valency ఎంత ఉంది? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Siddheksha says 3. Virat says 3. Jagan Mohan says 3. Srija says 3. Fatima says 3. How about other students? I request everyone to participate. Participate cheyandi. Hesitate kaakandi. Without hesitation, participate cheyandi. Okay. Bhavana says 2. Harshavardhan, good. Let's see the answer. 2. Exactly right, 2. The ones who have said 3, that's okay. Nerchukondi. All right. Good. Good, Bhavana. Good, Harshvardhan. Pranavi. Jyoti. Vaishali. Good. Excellent. Here, he has given the electronic configuration also. The atomic number of calcium is 20. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. It has got 2 valence electrons in the outermost shell, hence the valency is 2. Going for the next one. Atomic number of an element is 17. Then period to which this element belongs. Then period to which this element belongs. First, second, third, or fourth. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Oh, 3. Kartikeya. Good. Natha. Good, students are now interacting. I really appreciate students. Interact cheyandi. Nothing wrong. Tappo ina, nothing wrong. All right, let's see the answer. 3. Absolutely right. Students, Nishita, Ganesh, Pranavi, Virat, absolutely right. Very good, students. Excellent. Let's go for the next one. Identify the Dobereiner triad which has alkali metals. Now, first identify the alkali metals. He is asking us to identify Dobereiner's triad which has alkali metals. So, which option do you think is right? Option 2, Vaishali 2, Kartikeya 2, Virat 2, Fatima says 2. Excellent. Everyone is giving the right answer for this question. Very good, students. Your preparation chala baagundi. Very good. Lithium, sodium, and potassium. This law says, according to the law of Dobereiner's triad, when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of the atomic masses, then the atomic mass of the second element is the arithmetic mean of the first and third elements. Here, lithium, sodium, and potassium form a Dobereiner's triad. All right. Okay, let's go for the next one, students. Here is a simple numerical. Simple. In a Dobereiner's triad, the atomic weight of first and third elements are 7 and 39 respectively. First and third elements, the atomic weight each other 7 and 39 only. What is the atomic weight of the middle element? Just now we have seen the law. The law says the atomic weight of this middle element is arithmetic mean of first and third elements. Excellent. One of you has gone wrong. That's okay. Correct cheskondi, but most of you are right. 3. Harshvardhan says 3. Ganesh says 3. Srija says 1. Oppo says 3. Srija 1 వస్తుందా అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్ తీసుకుంటే ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఎక్సలెంట్ స్టూడెంట్స్. మీకు ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది కానీ క్యాల్కులేషన్ తప్పు వెళ్తుంది అప్పుడప్పుడు. బీ కేర్ఫుల్ విత్ దాట్. ఇది చాలా సింపుల్ క్యాల్కులేషన్. దీంట్లో తప్పు వెళ్ళకూడదు. Excellent. Most of the students have gone right. Virat, Nichita, Aishwarya, Jagan Mohan, Vaishali, Praneeth. Good. Excellent students. It's 23. Here is how it goes. Again, the same law is mentioned. The atomic mass of the middle element is almost the mean of the atomic masses of the first and third elements. All right, let's go for the next one, students. Which of the following property remains same in the group from top to bottom? As we go down the group, which of the following property remains same? Ionization potential, electron affinity, electronegativity, valency. Oh, good. Students, I highly appreciate you all for participating first of all and also to get the right answer. Excellent, students. Few of you are going wrong. నేను సొల్యూషన్ ఆన్సర్ చూపిస్తాను, నేర్చుకోండి. దట్స్ ఓకే. ఇది నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఒకసారి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ రిఫర్ చేసి మళ్ళీ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో ఒకసారి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు ఇప్పటి వరకు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసే ఉంటారు. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలేదంటే ఒకసారి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఆల్ రైట్, లెట్స్ సీ ది ఆన్సర్. ఇట్స్ valency. Good, Jyoti. Humera, Lata, good. Harshvardhan, good. Praneeth also, 4, good. Sideksha says 4, great. Let's see the next one. Next one, చూద్దాము. Here, which of the following ion electronic configuration is different from others? మూడింటికి సేమ్ ఉంటుంది, ఫోర్త్ వన్ కి వేరే ఉంటుంది. ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ విచ్ వన్. So you should think of number of electrons. Solution is 2. Okay, so most of the students have answered 1 and 4, but it's 2 students. Lata has answered 2. Station has answered 2. Good students. But others who have gone wrong, please correct yourself. నేర్చుకోండి, ఒకసారి నోట్ చేసుకోండి. తప్పుపోయినా ఏం నష్టం ఏం లేదు, తప్పు ఏం లేదు. నోట్ చేసుకుంటే ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఆల్ రైట్, I'll go for the next one. Which of the following property decreases along the period? Which of the following property decreases along the period? Is it ionization potential, electron affinity, electropositive character, electronegativity? మీరు బుక్స్ కూడా రివైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఒకసారి రిఫర్ చేయొచ్చు. నోట్స్ ఉంటే నోట్స్, లేకపోతే టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉంటే టెక్స్ట్ బుక్, సమ్ బుక్ యుల్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ రిఫరెన్స్ బుక్, అది ఒకసారి రిఫర్ చేసుకొని కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. అంత టైం ఉండదు, కానీ ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ టెలింగ్ యూ దట్ యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో రిఫర్. ఓకే, Sideksha says 1, Virat says 4, Nichita says 4, Vaishali says 1, Fatima says 2, Pranit says 3. All right, let's see. Pranit, you're right, absolutely right. Very good, Pranit. Others, నేర్చుకోండి. That's okay, you've gone wrong. ఇది కొంచెం మెమరీ బేస్డ్ టాపిక్, కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది, అన్ని గుర్తుండవు, అప్పుడప్పుడు మర్చిపోతాము. దట్స్ ఆబ్వియస్, దట్స్ వెరీ న్యాచురల్. బట్ యూ ట్రై టు రికలెక్ట్, రివైజ్ ఎంత బాగా చేస్తే అంత బాగా గుర్తు కూడా ఉంటుంది. All right, let's go for the next one. A sudden jump at second ionization potential is observed for an element. This element belongs to which group in the periodic table? Second ionization potential కి సడన్ జంప్ కనిపిస్తుంది, అబ్జర్వ్ ఫర్ an element. ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ కి అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారు, ఏం అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారు? సడన్ జంప్ అట్ సెకండ్ అయనైజేషన్ పొటెన్షియల్. ఏ గ్రూప్ కి ఎలిమెంట్ బిలాంగ్ చేస్తుంది అని అడుగుతున్నారు. క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా అందరికి? ఓకే, యూఆర్ ఆల్ ఆన్సరింగ్, గుడ్. జీరో గ్రూప్, ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్, సెకండ్ గ్రూప్, థర్డ్ గ్రూప్. Pranit says 3, Jyoti says 2, Siddhu is here, 3, Aishwarya says 1. All right, let's see the answer. It's 2. Shreshna, you are perfectly right. Jyoti, you are right. Very good. Shreshna and Jyoti, I appreciate. Others, మర్చిపోయి ఉంటారు. సో రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి, తప్పు ఏం లేదు. ఐమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్, తప్పు వెళ్ళినా తప్పేం లేదు. నేర్చుకుంటేనే మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ ను బాగా పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తారు. ఇది ట్రైనింగ్ సెషనే, రివిజన్ సెషనే. సో దీంట్లో తప్పు వెళ్తే ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. ఎవరు డిస్కరేజ్ కూడా ఏం చేయరు. ఎగ్జామ్ లో బాగా చేస్తారు మీరు ఇప్పుడు రివైజ్ చేసుకుంటే. ఆల్ రైట్, లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Which of the following element exhibits highest valency? Which of the following elements exhibits highest valency? Pranit is option 2. I'm getting a mixed response for chemistry. కొంచెం మెమరీ బేస్డ్ టాపిక్ ఉంది కాబట్టి కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది మీకు. Good. Pranavi says 2, Harshvardhan says 2, Shruti says 2, Vaishali says 2. Good. Excellent. Sideksha says 2. I'm revealing the answer now. Humera says 2, Shleshna says 2. Okay. How about others? There are 32 participants. Around 30. Okay, now I'm getting the response. నేను అడగడం కోసం వెయిట్ చేయకండి, మీరే రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వండి. రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వడానికి డోంట్ హెసిటేట్. Let's see the answer. It's 2. All of you are right in this case. Absolutely right. All of you are right. I really appreciate all of you. అందరు కరెక్ట్ చెప్పారు దీంట్లో. Excellent students. All right, let's go for the next one. The electronic configuration of element is given as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. To which group and period does this element belong? To which group and period this element belongs? A period की A group के element belong అవుతుంది. Okay, I'm now getting response. Don't hesitate to type in the chat box. That's okay if you're wrong. ఇది నేర్చుకోవడానికే. Okay, Fatima says the complete answer. 15th group, third period. Excellent, Fatima. But let's see the right answer. Durgam Anil says 3. Okay, Anil. Pranit says 3. Let's see the answer. Aishwarya says 4. He says electronic configuration is shadow. To which group and period this element belongs? It's 3. 15th group and third period. Excellent students. As mentioned by Fatima, 15th group and third period. Very good students. కొంతమంది టూ కూడా చెప్పారు. 2 కాదు. ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అన్ని రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో తీసుకొని చూసుకొని ఆ నోట్స్ చూసుకొని దీని తర్వాత ఒకసారి యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్కి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి వినంటే మీకు మొత్తం ఇవన్నీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని 30-40 క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని ఉంటే అవన్నీ రివిజన్ అయిపోతుంది. Let's look at this question. The minimum energy required to remove an electron from gaseous neutral atom is called ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity, electropositivity. Minimum energy required to remove an electron ఒక atom నుంచి న్యూట్రల్ atom నుంచి ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ తీయడానికి న్యూట్రల్ atom నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ తీయడానికి మినిమం ఎనర్జీ ఏమంటారు దాన్ని? Option 1, Sidhu says 1, Pranit says 1, Sideksha says 4, electropositivity. Fatima has again answered the complete answer. Ionization energy. Let's see. Pranavi says 1, Vaishali says 1. Participate change, students. Excellent. Most of you are answering the right answer. కొంతమంది మళ్ళీ తప్పు వెళ్తున్నారు. I'm telling you again and again. కొంచెం ఫిజిక్స్ ఇంకా కెమిస్ట్రీకి కొంచెం డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఫిజిక్స్ లో లాజికల్ థింకింగ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, కెమిస్ట్రీలో మెమరీ బేస్డ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది క్వశ్చన్స్. ఆల్ రైట్. సో మీ మెమరీ రిఫ్రెష్ కావాలంటే ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. చేసుకోవాలంటే ఒకసారి బుక్ రిఫర్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఈ సెషన్ ఒకసారి ఇప్పుడు ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ వెళ్ళి ఇంకొకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోవడం. ఆల్ రైట్, లెట్స్ సీ ది ఆన్సర్. It's ionization energy. The minimum energy required to remove an electron from gaseous neutral atom is called ionization energy. All right. Almost all of you have gone correct, except 1 or 2. The ones who have gone wrong, ఇది నేర్చుకోండి. It's చాలా important question. ఇది basic definition. All right. Let's look at this one. Ionization energy depends on atomic radius, stable configuration, screening effect, all the above. Atomic radius, stable configuration, screening effect, all the above. Ionization energy దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది? Pranit says all the above. Shreshna says 2, stable configuration. Anil says 2. Lata says 4. All the above. Harshvardhan says 4. Sidhu says 4. Jyoti says 4. Vaishali says 2. IE is nothing but ionization energy, depends on atomic radius, stable configuration, screening effect, all the above. All right. Let's see the answer. Absolutely right, students. All the above. The ones who have answered for all the above: Fatima, Jagan Mohan, Chanu, Shruti, Sukanya, Humera. Very good, students. I really appreciate you all. Really, your effort is really worth appreciating. Under effort Petunaru. You all people, all of you will succeed in your exams. I'm sure. Very sure. For the effort you're putting in studies, exam lo kachitanga succeed outar. Let's see the next question. The ionization energy of nitrogen is more than oxygen, even though the size of oxygen is less than nitrogen. This is due to, what is the reason? Ionization energy of nitrogen is more than oxygen. Oxygen size తక్కువ ఉన్నా కూడా ఎక్కువ ఉంది. So this is due to what? Half-filled configuration in N, half-filled configuration in O, full-filled configuration in N, full-filled configuration in O. This requires a little bit of thought. ఆలోచించి చెప్పండి. Okay, Srija says 2 or 4. You're confused between 2 or 4. Okay. Okay, that's also quite a good attempt. అలా చెప్పడం కూడా okay. But can you give me a fixed answer, final answer, Srija? Sidhu says 1. Harshavardhan says 2. Shruti says 1. Pranavi says 1. Praneeth says 2. Okay. ఇది కొంచెం ఆలోచించాలి. That's little bit of usual కంటే డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది. కొంచెం మర్చిపోయే ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. It's half-filled configuration in N. Nitrogen low configuration is half-filled. So that is the reason why ionization energy of nitrogen is more than that of oxygen, even though the size of oxygen is less than nitrogen. All right. So please correct yourself. నేర్చుకోండి, నోట్ అయినా చేసుకోండి, లేకపోతే యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. All right. Let's go for the next question. Which of the following is the property of bonded atom? Ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity, atomic radius. Which of the following is the property of bonded atom? Okay, I'm getting answers. Virat says 2. Pranavi says 3. Ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity, atomic radius. I'm getting mixed response for this one. I'm getting 4 as well. Okay. Okay, let's look at the answer. It's 3. Aishwarya, Sukanya, Srija, Shreshna, you're all right. కొంతమంది తప్పెళ్ళారు. సుదేక్ష, you're right. నోట్ చేసుకోండి ఎవరు తప్పెళ్ళారు. And I really appreciate the ones who have gone right. Very good, students. Next question, please. Potassium and calcium belong to which block? S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, F block elements. మీరు పీరియడ్ టేబుల్ రిఫర్ చేసి కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో పీరియడ్ టేబుల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అది ఒకసారి రిఫర్ చేసి కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. Okay. Jyoti says 1. Praneeth says S block. Sukanya says 1. Shruti says 1. Umera says 1. Okay, now I'm getting the right answer. Almost everyone is right. Answering the right. Vaishali says 3. Let's look at the answer, Vaishali. 3 Virat says 3. It's 1. S block elements. If you refer to your periodic table with you, you might be having the textbook. Sure, you'll be having it in the textbook. You can refer that and also answer this question. కొన్ని questions అలా కూడా ఉన్నాయి. All right, let's go for the next question. Okay, here is the statement. Potassium is a first A group alkali metal, and whereas calcium is alkali earth metal, and both of these 1A and 2A group elements belong to S block elements in the periodic table. All right. All right, let's go for the next one. How many S block and P block elements are there in the second period of the modern periodic table? In the second period, how many S block and P block elements are there? S block elements, P block elements, ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి దేంట్లో సెకండ్ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ ద మోడర్న్ పీరియడ్ టేబుల్ లో సెకండ్ పీరియడ్ లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? Good, Virat, you're not using book. Very good. But if at all you want to use refer a periodic table, you can definitely use. Nothing wrong in it. Revision కోసం చేసుకోవచ్చు. Refer చేయండి. But if at all you are already knowing the answers, that's even better. చాలా appreciable. Very good, Virat. All right. Look at this question. How many S block and P block elements are there in the second period of the modern periodic table? Option 3, Aishwarya says 1. Okay. Let's look at the right answer. It's 3. Sideksha, Humera, Siddhu. Absolutely right. Sai Charan, you're right. Chanu, you're right. Very good, students. Let's go for the next question. Most of the questions are memory based kada. Logic anta ledu. Logic కొన్ని questions logic ఉంది, but most of the questions are memory based. ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి? లాజిక్ బేస్ మీదనే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. కానీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. Okay, here 2 S block and 6 P block elements are present in the second period of the modern periodic table. S block elements are lithium, beryllium. P block elements include boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. All right, is just for additional knowledge. మీరు periodic table చూడలేదంటే ఇదే ఉంటుంది. periodic table చూస్తే ఇదే ఉంటుంది. It's a good habit to have a periodic table with you as a revision tool every day. Let's go for the next question. In the modern periodic table, group 2 elements are called as second A group. Elements are called as alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, halogens, noble gases. Okay, I'm getting the right answer for this one. Fatima says alkali earth metals. Durga Manil says 1. Okay. Srija says 1. Ganesh says 2. Srija says 2. Okay, you changed your answer. Okay. Vaishali says alkaline earth metals. Sidhu says 2. Namrata says 2. Excellent, students. 2 is absolutely right. Most of you have answered the right answer, but except 1 or 2. Sai Charan, think again. All right, it is 2. Make a note of it. నోట్ చేసుకోండి, తర్వాత మళ్ళీ రివైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు మీకు టైం సరిపోదు లేదంటే ఒకసారి మొత్తం వినేసి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ రిఫర్ చేసి రివైజ్ చేసుకొని కాన్సెప్ట్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Alright. Here, group 2 or second A elements except beryllium, that is magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium, are called alkaline earth metals as their oxides and hydroxides are alkaline in nature. The reason he is mentioning, and they are found in Earth's crust. The reason they are called alkaline earth metals is their oxides and hydroxides are alkaline in nature. All right, let's go for the next one. The ionization energy of beryllium is more than that of boron because beryllium has more nuclear charge, less screening effect, more penetration power of 2s and 2p, more atomic radius. Yeah, sure, Anil. Sorry. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తాను. ది అయనైజేషన్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ బెరీలియం బోరాన్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంది. అయనైజేషన్ ఎనర్జీ బెరీలియం ది బోరాన్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంది. ఎందుకు? రీజన్ ఏంటి? బెరీలియం కి మోర్ న్యూక్లియర్ చార్జ్ ఉంది, లెస్ స్క్రీనింగ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉంది, మోర్ పెనిట్రేషన్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2s దాన్ 2p, మోర్ అటామిక్ రేడియస్. ఈ 4 రీజన్స్ లో బెరీలియం కి వాట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్ దట్ అయనైజేషన్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ బెరీలియం బోరాన్ అయనైజేషన్ ఎనర్జీ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంది? Is it okay, Anil? All right, let's look at the answer. So could you all understand what he said? నాకు తెలుగు అంత బాగా రాదు కానీ మాట్లాడగలుగుతాను. సారీ నేను ఏదైనా తప్పు మాట్లాడితే. All right, the ionization energy of beryllium is more than that of boron because beryllium has more nuclear charge, less screening effect, more penetration power of 2s than 2p, more atomic radius. It's more penetration power of 2s and 2p than 2p, sorry. All right, is it clear? All right, which of the following is caused due to screening effect? Screening effect వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది? Increase in ionization energy, increase in nuclear charge, decrease in ionization energy, decrease in atomic size. Screening effect వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఏమవుతుంది? Which of the following is caused due to screening effect? So Rohit says 2, Jyoti says 2. Increase in nuclear charge. Okay, let's see the answer. Virat says 1. Fatima says 2 or 3. 2 and 3. Like, which is your answer, Fatima? 3. Okay, Fatima says 3. Seshna says 1. Sai Charan says 3. All right, let's look at the answer. It's 3. Absolutely right. Sai Charan, Fatima, excellent. Fatima, you're going right in almost every question, Fatima, I have noticed. Very good. Excellent students. Most of you are going right in almost every question. 1 or 2 questions you are going wrong. That's okay. You can revise. All right, revise చేసుకోవచ్చు. తప్పు వెళ్ళడంలో ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడు చెప్తాను మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను. సరేనా? All right, let's go for the next question. All right, here is a statement. Due to screening effect, there will be reduction in ionization energy causing reduction in effective nuclear charge. Okay. Okay, students, మీకు నా లాంగ్వేజ్ అర్థమవుతుందా? If you're not, you're able to understand Telugu or English, please type yes in the chat box because I find students are finding it difficult. If at all you're finding it difficult, you message me in the chat box. If you're comfortable, please message yes. Oh, thank you. All right. Okay, okay. I can speak in Hindi, Telugu, and English. Okay, Siddho, thank you. All right. Let's go for the next question. All right, I'll utter both in English and Telugu. Whichever you're comfortable, you please understand. Which of the following is correct while going down the group in the periodic table? Atomic number increases, number of shells increases, atomic radius increases, all the above. Which of the following is correct while going down the group? Group law, in the periodic table, in that group, that particular group, any group, Which of this is correct? Atomic number increases, number of shells increases, atomic radius increases, all the above. Atomic radius increases, okay. Let's see. All the above. Okay, let's see the answer. Absolutely right. All the above. Jyoti, you're right. Harshvardhan, Virat, Chaitanya, Vaishali, Vivo. I don't know your name, but you're right. అప్పుడప్పుడు చిన్న చిన్న తప్పు వెళ్ళొచ్చు, that's okay. If at all you're wrong in one or two bits, that's okay, absolutely okay. But revise and come back ready for the exam. For the revision training, it's okay. But for the exam, you have to be prepared. For that preparation, I suggest that you visit the YouTube channel once and revise it once again. We'll go for the next question. Which of the following elements is bigger in size compared to others? Size ఏది పెద్దది? 4 లో ఏ సైజ్ ఎలిమెంట్ సైజ్ పెద్దది? Which of the following elements is bigger in size compared to others? Okay, Virat says 1. Manichandan Reddy says 4. Jagan Mohan says 3. Srija says 1. Sidhu says 1. Which of the following elements is bigger in size compared to others? I'm waiting for every answer. I'll take a few more seconds. Okay. Chaitanya says 4. Aishwarya says 1. Pranit says 1. Vishali says 1. Has everyone answered? I don't see everyone answering. Sidhu says 1. Fatima says 2. Let's see the answer. It's 1. Sangeeta, you're absolutely right. Namrita, you're right. Bhavita, Praneeth. The ones you have gone wrong, ఈ మెమరీ బేస్డ్ కదా, కొంచెం రివైజ్ చేసుకుంటేనే బెటర్ ఉంటుంది. కెమిస్ట్రీ ఇస్ లైక్ దాట్, కొంచెం మెమరీ బేస్డ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడే కాదు, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కూడా అలానే ఉంటుంది. మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ మెమరీ బేస్డ్. Physics is most of it is logic based. Math is completely practice based. All right, it's potassium. Which of the following elements is bigger in size compared to others? It's potassium. Potassium with highest atomic number 19 among the given elements is bigger in size. All right, let's go for the next one. The ionization energy in the periodic table decreases as we go down the group, increases as we go down the group, decreases from left to right in a period, remains same as we go down the group. The ionization energy in the periodic table decreases as we go down the group, increases as we go down the group, decreases from left to right, remains same as we go down the group. Students, please type your answer in the chat box. Okay. All right. Let's see the answer. It's 1. In this case, not many have answered correctly. Most of you have answered 3. That's talking about the period. Ionization energy in the period increases from left to right, right? So he says, as we go down the group, what happens to the ionization energy? All right, let's see the next one. The ionization energy in the periodic table decreases on moving down the group. Here is an interesting question. The formula of compound formed between the element X of second A group and another element Y of 7th A group is, if I take an element X from second A group and take another element Y from 7th A group, formula em untundi. What is the formula of the compound form? Is it XY? XY taken thrice, X taken twice Y, XY taken twice. I'm getting a mixed response now. Okay, let's look at the key. It's 4. Here it is. What he has done in solution is, he has taken an example of MgCl2. Mg is from second A group, chlorine is from 7th A group. So the formula of the compound is MgCl2, which is XY taken twice. Option 4, Praneeth, you're right. Who else has answered 4? Very few have answered 4. Very good. Praneeth has answered 4. Saicharan has answered 4. Yeah, Vaishali, good. You can take that example as well. Barium chloride. Very good, Vaishali. I appreciate that. Let's go for the next question. The general electronic configuration of noble gases is three. Fatima says 3. Harshvardhan says 3. Virat says 1. Manichandan 3. Vaishali 3. Siddheksha 3. Siddheksha 3. Rohit 3. Praneeth 2. Srija 3. Sorry, Srija is 1. Shruti says 3. Nuera says 3. Ruchita says 3. All of you are answering is 3. Let's look at the right answer. Absolutely right, students. Except 1 or 2, all of you answered right answer. All of you have given the right answer. ఎవరెవరు తప్పెళ్ళారు నోట్ చేసుకోండి, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి, మళ్ళీ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ వెళ్ళి ఒకసారి ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్ రౌండ్ లాగా రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. All right, let's go for the next question. As per the modern periodic law, the properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights, mass numbers, atomic numbers, valencies. Praneeth says atomic number. Ganesh says 3 atomic number. All right. Virat says 4 valencies. Jyoti says atomic numbers. Good. Harshvardhan says 3. Sreshna says 3 and 3. Rishita says 3. Humera says 3. Siddheksha says 3. Everyone is answering 3. Let's look at the right answer. Absolutely right, students. It is like all of you have combined and giving me the common answer, discussing and answering. You're giving me the right answer together. I really appreciate that. Very good, students. Now we have got few more questions left. After this, you will be having a mathematics session on mensuration and then followed by English session. Please don't miss out maths and English as well. Elements of which group are called halogens? This is a pretty simple question. Halogens deni antaru. Fatima says 7th A. Option 3. Good. Rohit says 2. Rohit, 2 is 6th A. Charan says 3. All right. Let's go for the next question. I'll just show you the key. It's a pretty simple one. It's 7th A. All right. Which of the following group elements are known as chalcogens? Chalcogens then A group ni antaru. We are left with few more questions. Followed by this will be math session. Don't miss out. All right, let's look at the key. It's 16. 1. Good. Shruti says 1. Charan. Siddheksha, it is 1. Harshavardhan, it's 1. Siddheksha, please correct yourself. Humera, Sangeeta, You're all right. That's okay if you've gone wrong sometimes. Sometimes it's okay. Training kada. తప్పెళ్ళినా no problem. Exam లో తప్పడకూడదు. దానికోసం ఇది training. All right, let's go for the next one. Where do sodium and nitrogen belong? S block. Sodium belongs to S block and nitrogen belongs to D block. Both of them belong to P block, or sodium belongs to S block and nitrogen belongs to P block. Here is the key. Yes, 4. 4 is the right answer, students. Fatima says 4. Harshvardhan says 4. Praneeth says 4. Bhavita says 4. All right, good, good. Now you're all answering, but the ones who have answered before, I have shown the key. Very good, students. తప్పలేని వాళ్ళు సార్ నోట్ చేసుకొని రివైజ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత కొంచెం మెమరీ బేస్ కదా తప్పేళ్ళే ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, the correct order of atomic sizes of potassium, calcium, sodium and chlorine is the correct order of atomic sizes of potassium, calcium, sodium and chlorine is. He's asking the order of atomic sizes. Atomic sizes ni decreasing order lo pettumantunnaru or increasing order. He's asking you to select. Vaishali says 4. Harshvardhan says 3. 3. Let's look at the right answer. It's 2. That's what I was saying. కొంచెం memory based topic. Logic ఉంటుంది definitely, but logic కొంచెం మిస్ అయిపోతుంది. అందుకే ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకుంటే నోట్స్ లేకపోతే టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ని మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ వెళ్ళి వితౌట్ సొల్యూషన్స్ చూసి మీరు ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్ రౌండ్ లాగా రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. All right, let's go for the next question. Generally, the order of electronegativity in groups decreases, increases, remains same, initially decreases and then increases. Praneeth says increases. Vaishali says 2, increases. This is the last question, students. With this, we'll conclude. So please show your energy now. You've got math session next. Following up. Okay, Praneeth says increases. Humira says increases. Let's see the answer. It's decreases, students. Ruchita, you are perfectly right. It's decreases. That's okay, Praneeth. Tapilena, no problem. మీరు నేను అదే సజెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. మెమరీ బేస్డ్ కదా కొంచెం రివిజన్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మెమరీ బేస్డ్ టాపిక్స్ లో. as this is one topic and you have got another topic which is ఇప్పుడు కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో మీకు బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఆల్రైట్, ఈ టాపిక్ లో మెమరీ బేస్డ్ ఉంది, రివిజన్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, రిపీటెడ్ రివిజన్. ఆల్రైట్ స్టూడెంట్స్, with this we'll conclude. We'll again meet tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Thank you, students. Good night. Please follow maths session. I request Gayatri ma'am to take over, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening, students. Just give me a second. Let me share the screen. All right. From current slide. All right. So we are doing the SSC Revision and TSRJC CET coaching. And before we start with the max session, there's an announcement. We will be conducting an online test on this Sunday. That is 25th of February. 25th of February. So you can write at your convenience at any time between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. All right, students. So the link will be available between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. So we will send in bulk message So to receive the test link, you have to save our WhatsApp number. Okay. That is 964-221-5227. So if you are not saving our WhatsApp number, it is very difficult for us to send the link. All right. So if you save our WhatsApp number, so we will send the link together to all the students who have saved. Is it clear? So the first thing that you have to do is please save this link. This is going to be MCQ pattern only. So you can also attend the exam through your mobile. All right. And if you wish, you can ask your friends. You can give your friends also the WhatsApp number. Let them send us the message and register. And then for them also, we will send this test link. All right, students. So don't forget, this coming Sunday, you all will be writing an online test. So this test is going to be a good practice for you. So far what you have done, so far what you have revised will definitely help you to do this test better. All right. So with this, let's move on. So in continuation of yesterday's class, see the first question. If the diagonals of a rhombus are 10 centimeter and 24 centimeter, then what is the area? All right. So then what is the area? So being the first question, let us do it for you. So for this, you need to know the area of rhombus. It is half into D1 into D2. All right. That is first diagonal into second diagonal. So half into 10 into 24, which is 120 centimeters square. All right. Yes. Let's move on to the next question. An ice cream cone has a radius 5 centimeter and the height of the cone is twice the diameter of its base. Okay. Then what would be the volume? Okay. Just think very clearly. See the question. So the cone has a radius 5 centimeter and the height of the cone is twice the diameter of its base. Okay, find out the volume. Just try, make an attempt. 1 minute is too, it's more. It cannot be given. Less than 30 seconds can be given. Please try to work it out and give me the answers. Send your answers with the chat box. Okay, so I'm getting the message from Fatima, Sai Charan. Give me the options, whether it is 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's see the answer. It is 250 pi. How? The radius of the cone is 5 centimeter. So the diameter would be twice the radius, isn't it? So 2 into 5, which is 10 centimeter. And what would be the height of the cone? The height of the cone is nothing but twice the diameter. So what is the diameter here? 10. So 10 into 2 is 20 centimeter. All right. So now you can very easily find out the volume of the ice cream cone, which is nothing but volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. All right, students. So by adding these two, you will get 250 pi. All right. With this, let's move on to the next question. And always be ready with a notebook and a pen to quickly work it out and give us the answer. All right. So I cannot give you too much time because the next session we have very interesting in English. That is, we are going to do grammar. So that will get delayed. Okay. So our intention is to maximum do the revision for you students. All right. Yes. See the next question. A cone of radius 6 centimeter and height 24 centimeter is made in the form of sphere. Then what is the radius of the sphere? Okay. So let me tell you the answer. It is 6 centimeter. How? So for this, please understand the volume of the cone is the volume of the sphere, isn't it? That is what they have given. So what is the volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r square h. So again, the formula comes. So you all must be very, very thorough with the formulas. You should be in fingertips with the formulas. All right. And that is equal to volume of the sphere, that is 4/3 pi r cube. So you can cancel the pi. You can cancel 3, which is a base. Okay. So you have 1/3 pi into what is r? R is nothing but 6. So 6 square into what is the height? 24. Isn't it? They have given, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi into r cube. So r cube is for the sphere. So if when you solve this, you will get 216. So r cube is 216 means what is r cube root of 216, which is 6 centimeter. That is why we have given the answer or chosen the answer as 6 centimeter. All right, students, very simple. Only thing is you need to know the formulas. Very quickly, you can substitute the values and find out the answer. All right, with this, let's move on to the next question. Right, so which vessel shown in the below figure can hold more water? Okay, see the first one. The height is 4 centimeter, but the radius is 1 centimeter. But see the second one, the height is just 1 centimeter, but see the breadth of this, it is 4 centimeter. So is it A or is it B or both are same in A and B, or it is not decided? So I'm sure you all can answer this. Okay, so quickly give me the answer. Okay. So I'm getting 3, Sidhu 3, Humera 3. All right. Let's see the answer. It is 2. All right, because the second one has more base. All right, see the next question. The radius of the sphere is increased by 100%. Then the volume of the resultant sphere is increased by how many percent? Quickly give me the answer. I'm giving you less than 30 seconds. So we cannot spend more time in this for, getting the answers. So quickly work it out and give me the answers. Yes, let's see. I'm getting answers from Shruti, Sidhu. She says 3. Sidhu says 1. All right, let's see. The answer is 2. That is 700%. All right. Yes, see how initial volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, and here we are saying that the radius is increased by 100%. 100% means what? Your r will become twice of r, isn't it? So, your r will become 2r. So, new volume of the sphere is V1. We'll take it as V1. 4 by 3 pi into r will become 2r, the whole cube. All right. So, now what happens is the volume will be 8 times the original volume. How 8 times? 2r whole cube, 2 into 2 into 2. Right? So, you will find the difference between the second one and the third one. You will get 8v minus v by v, where you will have 7b by v and v will get cancelled. So, into 100, which is 700%. All right. See the next question. The answer is given. To find out the slant height of a cone, we use Pythagoras theorem. All right. Next question, ratio of volume of cylinder and cone whose radii are equal and having same heights. All right. So here the answer is 3:1. How? Because see, you have to substitute the volume of the cylinder to volume of the cone. Okay, so they are saying volume of the cylinder is to volume of the cone. So what is volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h is to, what is the volume of cone? 4 pi r square h. 1 by 3 4 pi r. 1 by 3 pi r square h. All right. So what happens? Your pi r square h and pi r square h get cancelled. So it will be 1:1 by 3. If you take LCM, it would be 3:1. Very simple question. All right, see the next question. If a sphere, a cylinder, a cylinder and a cone are of same radius and height, then their curved surface areas. So what would be the curved surface areas? Is it 4:4:5? Or is it 4:5:4? Or is it √5:4:4? Or is it none? All right, so let me give you the answers because I need to explain this. The answer is 4:4:5. How? The radius and the height of the sphere, cylinder, cone are equal. That's what the question says, isn't it? So for sphere, is to height is 2r. So height of the sphere, cylinder, cone are equal to 2r. Fine. And now let us move on to their curved surface areas, which is 4 pi r square. Curved surface area of sphere, curved surface area of cylinder. So you have 2 pi r square h. All right. So which is 4 pi r square. You are going to substitute the h as 2r. Yes. So now what is the curved surface area of the cone? It is pi rl. And we need to find out the slant height. The formula is root of r square plus h square. And substitute the height as 2r. So finally, you will get the slant height as root 5r. So the required ratio is 4 pi r square is to 4 pi r square is to root 5 pi r square, which is 4 is to 4 is to root 5. All right. Now, see the next question. The three metallic spheres of radii 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter are melted to form a single sphere. Then the radius of the resulting sphere is dash. All right. Let's see the answer for this. How it is 6 centimeter. So now for this, you need to know the volume of the sphere, which is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here you have 3 spheres. So you need to differentiate between 3 spheres, isn't it? So 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. All right. So you can take 4 by 3 pi as common because it is common to all three. So you will only land up by r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube, where you can substitute the answers. That is for r. So which is 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. So finally, you will get your radius r as 6. All right. So you need to know the volume of the sphere, which is 4 by 3 pi r cube. All right. With this, let's move on to the next question. A hemispherical bowl of internal diameter 36 centimeter. It contains a liquid. How many cylindrical bottles of radius 3 centimeter and height 6 centimeter are required to empty the bottle? All right, students. So I think you can try, because I'm just giving you one question to try. You try it, otherwise we'll do it for you. All right. So here Vaishali says 3, Sleshna says 1. Okay. Let's see. The answer is none. How? Because the number of bottles into volume of bottle is the volume of the bowl, isn't it? So when you substitute the answers, you will get the number of bottles to be 72. So here the option 72 is not given. Therefore, you can say that the answer is none. All right. With this, let's move on very quickly to the next question. A cylindrical pencil is sharpened to produce a perfect cone at one end with no overall loss of its length. The diameter of the pencil is 1 centimeter and the length of the conical portion is 2 centimeter. So you need to calculate the volume of the shavings. So here they're asking us to take the pi as 355 by 113. All right, students. Yes. Let's quickly see the answer. It is 1.05 centimeter cube. How? Being the volume, you should always represent by cube, isn't it? See, the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. The volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here, what is the volume of the shavings? That is the cylinder minus the cone. Okay. So pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is 2 by 3 pi r square h. Just substitute the value of r and h. 2 by 3 pi, they wanted us to take 355 by 113. All right. So what is the radius? It is 1 by 4. Right. So what is the height? It is 2. All right. Yes. So by doing this, you will land up by giving the answer of 1.05 centimeter cube. All right. With this, let's move on to the next question. The surface area of medicine capsule, which is in cylinder shape with hemispheres stuck at its ends, if length and width are 14 millimeter and 5 millimeter respectively, okay, then it is what? Yes. So for this, the answer is 220. How? So here you have taken a cylinder. All right. See, the height is length minus width, which is 14 minus 5 is 9 millimeter. All right. So now what is the radius? Radius is width by 2. that is 2.5 millimeter. Fine. And the surface area of the capsule is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay. Plus curved surface of two hemispheres. So just substitute the formulas 2 pi RH plus twice of 2 pi R square. All right. So here you have the height as 9. Okay. And you have the radius as 2.5. So when you substitute, you will get 220 millimeter square. All right, students? Yes. So I'm sure you would have understood this. So these questions really require more than a minute or maybe a minute or so. So you need to work out, and with the help of the formulas only this can be done. Fine. With this, we are moving on to the next question. A hemisphere of outer and inner radii 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively is molded as a cylinder of diameter 14 centimeter. Then the height of the cylinder is dash centimeter. Yes. So let me give you a chance. Do this. Give me the answers in the chat box. Let me see. Taruni, pi value is wrong. No, see, in the question they can give any value. If nothing is given, you can take the pi value as 22 by 7. But if your question demands that you should take the value of pi as only this, then you should only take that. Okay, so you cannot say it is wrong. Whatever the question says, you follow the question to derive at the correct answer. All right, now let's see the answer for this. It is none. How? Because volume of the hemisphere is the volume of the cylinder. Is it clear? Which is pi r square h. Yes. So see the next question. Total surface area of the hemisphere is dash. So this is purely a formula based. Let me see how many are answering for this. Shruti says 2. Okay. How about others? So students, please participate. This is only for your good revision. All right. So I'm getting the answer only from Shruti, Shrija, Reddy. How about others? Okay. Yes, so please try. Let us see the answer, whether it is 2 or what. Yes, it is 2, 3 pi r square. Perfect. See the next question. If a right angle triangle is revolved about its hypotenuse, then it will form a dash. Let me see. This is also a theory-based. I'm getting the answer from Shruti S2. How about other students? These are all theory-based, so you can very quickly answer these questions. All right, let's see the answer. It is a double-sided cone is formed with the base joint. Okay, so it is a cone. See the next question. The area of equilateral triangle is 36 root 3 centimeter square. Then the perimeter is dash centimeter. So find out the area of the equilateral triangle, substitute it, and then find out the perimeter. All right. So I'm giving you another chance. Try to work out this and send me your answers. I'll give you a minute. This is mere substitution of your formulas. All right. So your 1 minute is running. It's going to get over. Let me see. I have not got any answers, students. I think you are still thinking and working out. All right, let's see. The answer is 36. How? As I told you, area of the equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square. And they have given that as 36 root 3. All right. So root 3 by 4 a square is 36 root 3. So find out the value of a square, which is 144. And when you take the square root of 144, you will get the value of a as 12. So what is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? It is 3a. So 3 into 12 is 36. So it's supposed to be very simple. That was the reason I asked you all to give me the answers. All right, with this, let's move on to the next question. If the radius of base of a cylinder is double, and the height remains unchanged, then what is the curved surface area? So it is double. How? See, explanation is very clearly done. When radius is equal to r, height is h, the curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h, isn't it? So now what is capital R? It is nothing but 2r. So 2 pi r is 2r into height into h. So 2 into 2 becomes 4 pi r h. All right. So if radius doubles, then curved surface area also doubles. Yes, is it clear? Fine. So now see the next question. Number of vertices of a cuboid is. So students, this is very simple. You can all answer. It's theory based. No working out is required. Yes, quickly give me your answers. Number of vertices of a cuboid is. All right. So it is 8. See, the number of vertices in a cuboid are 8. All right. See the next question. If the volume of a hemisphere is 19,404 centimeter cube, then its radius is dash. So for this, substitute the volume of the hemisphere and then find out the radius. Okay. So like how we did the last sum, like this you should do, and the answer will be 21. All right. See, we are heading towards the last sum. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone whose base radius is 7 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. The area of the sheet required to make 10 such cap is dash. All right, see the answer. The radius is 7. That's what they've given. Height is 24. What is the slant height? Root of r square plus h square. So which is nothing but root 625. And when it comes out of the root, it becomes 25. All right. Curved surface area of the right circular cone is pi RL. What is pi? 22 by 7. What is R? 7. What is L? 25. So which is 550 centimeters square. This is for 1 cap. And how about for 10 caps? It would be 10 into 550, which is 5,500 centimeters square. All right, students. So I'm sure you would have understood this. Yes, so with this, we will move on to English. All right. Yes, fine. So now you need to convert it into indirect speech. They said we are taking the medicines every day. So this is the direct speech. How do you convert? They said that they were taking the medicines every day. They said that we were taking the medicines every day. They said that they are taking the medicines every day. Or they said that we are taking the medicines every day. All right, very simple. So give me your answers. Is it A, B, C, or D? Quickly, students. So I want it to be a very positive and a participative one. So don't keep yourself away from when it comes to answers. All right. So being the first one, let's do for you. It is, they said that they were taking the medicines every day. All right. See the next question. They said, we have been waiting here since morning. 4 options. They said that we had been waiting here since morning. They said that they had been waiting there since morning. They said that they have been waiting there since morning. They said that we have been waiting since morning. Yes. Students, give your answers. Put your answers in the chat box so that, we can go ahead with the next question. I want everybody to participate. Please do participate. Yes. Pranavi alone says option 1. Yes, students. All of you, please give me the answers. All right. Now let's see the answer. It is option 2. They said that they have been waiting there since morning. See the next question. They said we have taken exercising seriously. What option? Which option is right? Give your answers in the chat box. They said that they have been taken exercising seriously. They said that we had taken exercising seriously. They said that we had taken exercising seriously. They said that they had taken exercising seriously. Yes. It is the fourth option. They said that they had taken exercising seriously. See the next question. They said, we will not bother the workers. Four options. They said that they would not bother the workers. They said that they would not be bothering the workers. They said that they will not be bother the workers, or they said that they will not be bother the workers. The answer is very simple. Students, you can just like that read it and give me the answers. I want everybody to participate in this. Give me your answers. Put your answers in the chat box. Yes. Okay. So the first option is right. They said that they would not bother the workers. See the next question. Prabhu said that he was not going to college. Prabhu said, and see here, this is indirect speech is given. You need to convert it into direct speech. Prabhu said he was not going to college. Prabhu said, I am not going to college. Prabhu said, I will not go to college. Or Prabhu said, he had not gone to college. So the answer is, Prabhu said, he was not going to college. See the next question. Anjana said that she was waiting for her friends. Four options are given. Give me your answers in the chat box. The first option is Anjana said, I have been waiting for my friends. Or Anjana said, I have been waiting for my friends. Or the third one, Anjana said, I waiting for my friends. Fourth one, Anjana said, I am waiting for my friends. All right. See the answer. The last option is right. Anjana said, I am waiting for my friends. See the next question. Sanjay said that he was going to Delhi then. Sanjay said, I am going to Delhi now. Sanjay said, I was going to Delhi now. Sanjay said, I am going to Delhi then. Sanjay said he is going to Delhi now. Yes. Let's see the right answer. It is none other than the first one. Sanjay said, I am going to Delhi now, because now will change to then, isn't it? See the next question. They said they had played cricket. They said they play cricket. They said they are playing cricket. They said they have been playing cricket. They said we play cricket. Yes, the correct answer is they said we play cricket. Simple, because they said they played cricket. All right, see the next question. He asked me what I was doing. Four options. He asked me, what are you doing? He asked me what you are doing. He said to me what I am doing. He said to me, what were you doing? All right, so see the correct option is the first one. He said to me, what are you doing? See the next question. Malini said that she would go for the meeting. Four options are given. Malini said, I go for the meeting. Malini said, I am going for the meeting. Malini said, I will go for the meeting. Or Malini said, I went for the meeting. And the correct option is option 3. Malini said, I will go for the meeting. So, would will be changed to will here. All right, see the next question. Anand said, he would be waiting for me. Anand said, he will be waiting for you. Anand said, I will wait for you. Anand said, I should be waiting for you. Or Anand said, I am waiting for you. The correct answer is Anand said, I will be waiting for you. All right, see the next question. Suman said that he would have called a doctor. Four options. Suman said, I will call a doctor. Suman said, I will be calling a doctor. Suman said, I will have called a doctor. Or Suman said, I should call a doctor. So the correct answer here is Suman said, I will have called a doctor. See the next question. She said that she would be playing with her kids. She said, I have played with my kids. She said, I will play with my kids. She said, I played with my kids. Or she said, I will be playing with my kids. All right. Very simple. The last option is right. She said, I will be playing with my kids. All right. See the next question. He exclaimed sadly that he was undone. He said, alas, I'm done. He said, alas, he is undone. He said, alas, he was undone. He said, alas, I have been undone. See the correct answer, the last one. He said, alas, I have been undone. All right, see the 15th question. Arun said, I bought this ring for my mother. All right, so you need to convert it into direct speech because whatever is given is indirect speech. The first option is Arun said that he has bought that ring for his mother. Arun said that he had bought this ring for his mother. Arun said that he has bought this ring for his mother. Arun said that he had bought that ring for his mother. All right. So the right option is the last one. Arun said that he has bought that ring for his mother. All right. See the next one. I has been fortunate to travel with interesting co-passengers. So this has been must be changed to have been or have been or has been or no improvement. So it should be changed to I have been. All right, see the next question. A bedsheet hung on the doorway sufficed till the doors is finally installed. All right. So is finally installed can be changed to was finally installed or were finally installed or were finally installed or no improvement. It should be were finally installed. See the next question. They teased and to joke with the patient and did not stop till they elicited a favorable response from her. Is it they teased and to joke, or is it they teased and joke, or is it they teased and joking, or they teased and joked with the patient, or no improvement required? It is obviously joked. They teased and joked. See the next question. Maybe Karishma wasn't the only one who had been overlooked by Mrs. Shah when it came to inheritance. So you have to replace had been overlooked by have been overlooked, is being overlooked, had been overlooking, or no improvement. So definitely no improvement is required because she wasn't the only one who had been overlooked, is right. See the next question. A monthly contribution by the boy's elder brother have made this movie possible. Have made can be replaced by had made, had making, or no improvement. It should be changed to had made. All right. Yes. A case in point is Sydney, Australia, where last year more than 8,000 pedestrians is fined for illegally crossing city streets. Is it pedestrians was fined, were being fined, or no improvement? And obviously it is pedestrians were fined. See the next question. We have been away for a long time, and so we are anxious to get home again. We have been, or we has been, or we is been, or we have been, or no improvement. I think no improvement is required because this question itself is perfect. We have been. All right, see the next question. The report has already been given to the board. So the report has already been, or report have already been, or report have already been, or the report has already been, or no improvement. So no improvement is required because the report has already been given to the board. All right, see the next question. You see a curtain of fog hanged low, suspended over the fresh green grass. Is it hangs? Where hanging, or no improvement? It is hanging. You see a curtain of curtain of fog hanging. All right. See the next question. This stove had a flat kerosene tank at the bottom. So is it this stove have a flat, or has a flat, or has had, or no improvement is required, and it is perfectly right. This stove had a flat kerosene. Right. See the next question. By then running water and electricity had arrived, making the well and the lamp post redundant. Yes. So you should write it as by then running water and electricity had arrived. Right. See the next question. Winds blowing northwards has took our kite to a vertiginous height. Is it northwards? Had take, or had taken, or had taking? No improvement. So it should be had taken. Wind blowing northward had taken. See the next question. The battle had been raging for some time. Is it have been, have been raging, had been raged, or no improvement. So the question itself is perfect. The battle had been raging. See the next question. The realization came when we noticed that our children had becoming too dependent on us. They had become, they has become, or no improvement. You should write they had become. See the next question. The technical aspect of English that deals with ironies has always intrigued my inquisitive mind. Is always intrigued, or has always intrigued, or no improvement. You should say that the technical aspect of English that deals with ironies has always intrigued. All right. See the next question. The prisoner is known to have assaulted warden earlier too. It is known that now you have to convert active to passive. It is known that the prisoner has assaulted the warden earlier too. The warden was assaulted by the prisoner earlier too. It is known that the warden has been assaulted by the prisoner earlier too, or it is known that the warden has assaulted the prisoner earlier too. So the answer is, it is known that the warden has been assaulted by the prisoner earlier too. Can she write an interesting story? How can you convert into passive voice? Can an interesting story be written for her? Or can an interesting story be written to her or written by her? Or can an interesting story be written by her? So the correct answer is, can an interesting story be written by her? See the next one. The poet Blake wrote many poems for children. Many poems were written for children by the Blake. Many poems were written by children for the poet Blake. Many are the poems written by children for the poet Blake. Or children wrote many poems by the poet Blake. All right, see the correct answer is option A. Many poems were written for children by the poet Blake. All right. So very few questions are left. Let us quickly finish it. Each person exhibited various facial expressions. And the answer here is various facial expressions were exhibited by each person. The girls ate a mango yesterday. So how do you convert it into passive? A mango was eaten by the girls yesterday. Your manners irritate me. So I am irritated by your manners. Should you ever tell a lie, or should a lie be ever told? Ideas are generated by group discussions. So group discussions generate ideas. All right. Students, with this, we will end up and wind up the session. The rest we will do in the next class. And thank you so much for listening to our sessions. And all the very best for your exams, for your forthcoming Sunday test. So those who have missed today's session can watch in the YouTube by subscribing to Jatadhara Educational Technology, and pass on our WhatsApp number 9642215227 to your friends so that they can send us a message, and all the inquiries will be answered. All right. Thank you very much, students.